Integra back in this spot, but don't worry, the motor let go in this on me last week, but we're about to go pick one up right now so this can get back on the road, finish the build, and get going. Boom, and there we go. Short block is fully cleaned, valve covers painted, new hardware is on there. Back of the motor's clean, new filters on there. I got new hardware for the intake and exhaust manifold. Exhaust is coated, header's coated, heat shields are coated. Yeah, I mean, I was just gonna sand this little part off so it's brushed. Debating if I want to get a new dipstick, because that one I try to clean it but it just won't get clean to my liking. But other than that, this thing is ready to go into the car. Just gotta rip the flywheel off, put my manual one on there. Yeah, man, hopefully this thing goes into the car today. Like I said, that's it for this car. Hopefully it gets sold today. I got a buyer come check it out, but most likely it's gone. Even though I kind of finished, kind of didn't. Really, the only thing I was gonna do is swap over to black interior, throw a steering wheel in there, and call it a day from there. I mean, that's it I was gonna do with this car. Maybe change the wheels, but that's it. Did a little restoration on the bay. Coming from the old one, this one's literally night and day. Thing's good, man. Did the bay, cleaned the car, put the interior back in it, fully clean. Did the rear end resto. I mean, this thing's clean, man. No rust, straight body. So the homie that's getting this, he's getting a good deal on it. He's getting a good whip. But yeah. I'm gonna miss this little thing. Hate to see it go, but love it when it's gone. I already got my eyes, or I've been searching on Marketplace and a couple other places for the next car. So I'm definitely getting a replacement for this, so stay tuned. And yeah, man, that's it. That's it for this one. Honda, over.